Center for Assessment Technology and Continuous Health, a nonprofit organization, launched in 2012 with the goal to improve the measurement of a patient's health with novel technologies and devices. In partnership with MGH and MIT, CATCH combines academic and industrial partnerships with cutting-edge novel technologies and care approaches. Convening a multidisciplinary group of physicians, engineers, and industry partners, our goal is to transform how individuals monitor their own health and how physicians prevent, diagnose, and treat disease. What a fascinating moment in time. The world of wireless is converging with the world of medicine, enabling communication, collaboration, and connectivity never seen before. From a sensor on a patient at home, to a computer, to the doctor, however they are worn or used, mobile health products improve care, lower healthcare costs, and help us stay healthy. The data from biometric sensors can be eye-opening and can be life-saving. Increasingly more sensitive and capable instruments have allowed us to see every heartbeat, every cell, every biological change as a data point. But most health and fitness monitors are not yet generating information in real time that alters the understanding of health and disease. CATCH is designed to do so. Only now do we have the ability to analyze these vast data into a more comprehensive picture of the complex systems of an individual. The sophisticated analyses of genotype and phenotype allows doctors to characterize individuals who apparently have the same condition into different groups. Every group is then allocated the treatment with the best chance for success. CATCH can map these patterns across entire populations to compare these patterns with your data, factoring in genetic makeup, environment, and medical history to understand what makes you sick and what keeps you healthy. This categorization leads to a better understanding of the disease and a more accurate development of drugs. From treatment customized to your genetic makeup, to dosages tailored to your biological traits, to regimens suited to your individual metabolism. This will pave the way for selective, preventative, and personalized treatment. To get there, we need to develop a robust assessment of human phenotype, a continuous readout of our human body. Everything we do, minute by minute, day by day, is part of our phenotype. The obvious things, like our blood pressure, our temperature, but also our behaviors, our dietary habits, the whole variety of activities that influence the way our body responds to our own genetic makeup and to our environment. How do we harness the power of all these data, eliminating clinical and operational blind spots, and making these insights accessible to care providers, analysts, and scientists in real time? That's CATCH's power of predictive analytics for healthcare. Healthcare becomes a true system that's focused on value, coordinated around the patient, and integrated into every part of our lives. But the smarter healthcare system of the future requires us to act today. CATCH will move beyond today's phenotypes to pioneer new human measurements, as well as the integrative analytic methods needed to interpret these measurements in the context of patient clinical and genetic data. CATCH develops business models that focus on optimized outcomes. We create solutions which are fully integrated and operable as part of a new health ecosystem. Value for money and patient satisfaction. We not only understand science, but the business of science. We have built a team of physicians and scientists paired with business-trained project leaders. This team comes to work every day with one urgent goal: to prioritize digital health analytics that can transform patients' lives. We believe getting results for patients isn't about spending more money. It's about spending the money smarter. Our strategic investments identify and promote the ideas that are most likely to have an impact on human health. Jack Connors, who has been chairman of the board of Partners Healthcare in Boston for 16 years, his supporting catch. The evidence of his success as a businessman and a philanthropist is all around us. Jack is making a difference in the lives of others every day, and we are proud to benefit from his generosity, wisdom, and personal commitment to our mission. Our experience lets us envision the future, where prevention and cure will converge. Come and share the future of healthcare with us.